Alright, welcome to this new video series on process costing in QuickBooks. Process costing differs from job costing quite significantly. The main thing we're looking at is process costing tends to be used and is more suited for a company that produces the same product or products repeatedly over and over and over again. They're not custom orders, so the less customization, the more applicable this is. A great example would be just a bottling company. They bottle a product, possibly the same product, over and over and over again, and they just need to know how to apply the costs that they incur to each individual unit. So process costing is used for that. We're going to be using the example of a vitamin company. We'll assume that they have one product, and it's just a multivitamin. We'll go through how they purchase their materials, how they have different departments that incur costs, and all of those costs have to be tracked accurately to each unit so that we can price them appropriately, so that we can be competitive in the marketplace. Now, if you saw the first video series, you may remember this this page here, the elements of manufacturing costs. Direct material, direct labor, and factory overhead. You may remember also I told you these are the prime costs, the direct material and the direct labor. But what we need to focus on in process costing is that there is going to be a difference between direct material and our conversion costs. Now, conversion, think of it, these two types of costs, they convert the direct material. So they're the costs that we incur to convert our direct material into a finished good. Just keep that in mind. These two costs are going to be kept separate at a later point. As a reminder, I do want to show you this again. We have product costs and period costs. We're going to be dealing mostly with product costs. Those are costs that are held in these four inventory accounts throughout the production process, and only once they're sold do they actually show up as actual costs on our profit and loss statement. They show up as cost of goods sold. So as we go through, feel free to leave any comments, and I would love feedback so I can make these videos as useful and as valuable to you as possible.